Hello, I am Meldorek, as always, and welcome back to Team Fortress 2. Today, I'm gonna play as the Pyro in the map Upward, and my special objective, well, kind of special objective is to airblast people off of this cliff right here. And if I try to do that, I joined the server at pretty much the perfect timing because, well, now's the perfect time to do so. You're a spy, aren't you? Get off the cliff. I just love doing that. That's like one of the most fun things in the game, at least in my opinion. Like for example Scout. Get out of here. Oh yeah, it doesn't really work on Scouts. I kinda forgot that because, yeah, they can double jump. So, I'm gonna have to try that again. I'm just hoping that they don't manage to push the cart too far. Well, if I don't manage to airblast them off the cliff there, at least I can always just do some normal pyro gameplay and burn them. So my pyro set consists of the regular flamethrower, detonator and the power jack. I'm not sure why I like this set so much. It's not really anything specific. I like the basic flamethrower, well, for the usual reasons mostly. It does stable damage and doesn't really have too many negatives. And I like the detonator for ranged combat as well as flare jumping and home wrecker because you can be credit to engineers. Well, let's see, I kinda missed a spot where I could air blast them off the edge, and besides I think they were anticipating it. So I'm just gonna see what I can do. Well, at least I can like kill this pyro. Come here, you have the degreaser. I can handle you. I can take you down, Mr. Pyro. Except if you get health, that's bad. Where are they going? Where's this engineer going? Come here, I will burn your face. Ah, there we go, that's better. And now I can just completely flank these guys. Hi! Just gonna roast you real quick, no problem. And I just completely failed to protect my medic. This is going fantastic. Okay. That was actually kind of a impressive headshot. Well, it's not really big of a surprise. I mean, he's got almost 1,000 kills on the sniper rifle, so you could guess that he's pretty good with the class. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to stop them. They're doing really well at the end. Oh, no, actually, we do have an Australian unusual pyro, so I think we might be able to do this if we just keep mouse running them. Mouse on for the win. Yeah. And yeah, we lose. It's a bit surprising, considering that the top scorers on our team have way more points than them. But, I don't know. I guess it just happens. Okay, well, now we're on the attacking team. Well, at least we're still on the same map, so I should be able to airblast more people off the edge. Shouldn't be a problem. Now, yeah, my pyro loadout, I was kinda going for a Deathbringer pyro style cosmetic loadout, and I kinda like it. Let's see, who do we have on our team? An unusual pyro, sniper with some pretty nice looking hats, that's nice. A heavy, that's a pretty nice looking set. Do you want a high five, Mr. Heavy? No, but the medic wants one. Nice. The taunts in this game are just so lovely. I'm sorry, Scout, but I don't think you can break the door by hitting with a baseball bat. I'm sorry. That's just the way it is. Okay, the round is about to begin. I'm gonna try to flank them or something else super clever. Oh, well, I lit the heavy on fire, so that's gonna do some good. And I can roast these guys. Bye, guys. Let's see. Flank them from over here, and there's absolutely no one here. Except that I can airblast this guy off the edge. Goodbye. I just love doing that. I probably said that like twice already, but fuck it. Okay, now I head this way. Oh, hello, scout. Oh, ah, team's doing pretty well now. What is this scout doing? Use your fucking scatter gun. I'm just a pyro, man. Shouldn't be that difficult. Now, of course he gets health kits. They always get the bloody health kits. Okay. Oh no, we do have somebody to... Oh, spy! Team, we have a spy. You don't want to disguise me when I'm as the pyro, trust me. Okay, I guess I'll just sit on a cart and shoot flares at anyone who tries to stop us from capping the point. Oh dear, that's a lot of people in one place. I did get a reflect kill though, so that's kinda cool, I guess. Gotta get the health. Oh! Freaking! You stole my health! Oh well. At least we got the point, and I can grab some health from the cart. Now... Well, I might as well set up here. Ah, hello, Heavy. Oh, well, he had very little health. I like it. Get some more kills on my strange detonator. I don't have a lot of them. Oh, get the teleporter, yes. Ah, I got killed, but at least I destroyed the teleporter, so that's gonna do my team some good. Okay, this is actually going fairly nicely. Just gonna flare jump a little bit. I know that it's not really gonna help, but why the heck not? We got plenty of health here. We're pushing them back pretty well. Not a lot of them over here. Poking soldier. He can burn. Oh dear. Oh, what should I do here? I'm gonna go up here, that's what I'm gonna do. Surprise, guys! W Mouse 1 for the win! You cannot beat the ultimate strategy of W Mouse 1. Oh, that's a spy? One of ours? I don't even know. Ah, we're right behind him. Hello. Oh well. Oh no, he's not gonna bear to that. He has too much health. Oh, them heavies with them 300 HP. It's in situations like these when I kinda miss the power jack, but it's a lot more useful when you got engineers on your team, and I'm kinda lazy to switch between the two, so I'm just gonna keep using the home wrecker. Anyways, let's sit up here and try to... Oh my god, that's a lot of heavies. I'm dead. Yeah. Okay, well. Now that we're at this part again, I should probably try the air blasting people of Cliffstingen. Let's see, the video time is nearing 10 minutes again. I'm not gonna put it too long because last time when I made a 10-minute video it took like ages to process and upload and stuff. There we go. That's another person pushed off the edge. Oh no, 2 people actually. I didn't even notice. Well, that's 3 people pushed off a cliff during this session, if my math is correct. Let's see if I can get some more. We got a few other pyros in this team. Not sure if they had the same idea as I had. Well, judging from their hats, they're kinda new to the game, so they might be just using the good old W Mouse 1 tactic, but who knows. You shouldn't judge people by their hats. I mean, just because a person is wearing the gibbles doesn't mean that they could be good at the game. Oh, that's a lot of sticky mobs. Could you kindly get out of here? Oh, god. And that's even more heavies. I think I'm gonna head to their spawn instead. Scout. Gets it on fire. Excellent. Okay, I think the demo's following me, I'm not sure. Yep. Oh, you're trying to explode me. It's not gonna work, Mr. Demo. I told you it wouldn't work. I know you're dead. Oh, he's got the bloodsucker. That's actually the one thing with the medic that's good against pyros. Why can I move? Jesus Christ. Oh, that. Gotta get it. Oh, no! My health, my health. Get out here. Oh no, I just ran out of flamethrower ammo. Pyro, help me, please. I need ammo. Somebody, ammo, please, help. Possibly. Oh, the card. Thank you. Yes. When... Oh, I may have actually not run out of ammo. I think I may have just accidentally switched my weapon or something. And I got another domination. This is going pretty well. A pretty intense fight, but we're doing okay. Just gonna light this heavy on fire. Yeah, we're doing pretty nicely. These heavies aren't really the most difficult enemies to fight. Especially if you... Oh, no, 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 that's a mini sentry, that's a mini sentry. Mini sentry bad, mini sentry very bad. All sentries are very bad. And I'm talking really fast. Well, it's the... I blame the intense situation. Okay, it looks like this video is gonna go a bit over 10 minutes after all, but I'm trying to make it so that it wouldn't go to 17 minutes like last time. Which shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just gonna burn this spy and try to push the cart. Medic, how about some heals? Okay, they got a sentry. Oh no, they haven't got a sentry, just a heavy. I'm gonna try going around from down here. Not sure how it's gonna work, but at least I can burn the spy and the medic. And maybe even the heavy. Yes, burn the heavy. Excellent. Oh, I'm doing kinda nice. 3 dominations. Well, that's a bit surprising. I didn't air blast that many people off an edge, but oh my god, is that a lot of bullets. I wonder if I could just destroy this sentry just by spamming it with the thing. Well, let's see. Come on, engineer, I want you to light a fire. There we go. And I can just continue. Oh god. I have been discovered! No! My only weakness. Yeah. Oh well. It was just a matter of time. Well, before this video gets too long... Oh, a winter crate. Excellent. Just gonna sort out my backpack real quickly. And then I'm gonna cut this video here. So that it doesn't get to like 17 minutes like last time. Because it just might. I'm not gonna take any risks. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching this video. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.